If you want to factory reset your Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. For example, we should be able to go to Settings. Then over here in Settings, we can scroll down a little bit, and then you want to go to System. Over here in System Settings, we should be able to find Reset Options, and then here we have Erase All Data. Then you should be able to find the summary of everything that is going to be removed. You can also erase eSIMs if you have any on your smartphone. And then you can continue by tapping on Erase All Data and follow the rest of the instructions that you will see on this screen. And of course, remember to make a backup of everything that is important that you don't want to lose in the process. Besides that, we can also use the Find Hub, Google's Find Hub or Find My Device, in order to factory reset your phone. But in order to be able to do so, first we need to make sure that the Find Hub is enabled. So what we're gonna do is we need to find Security and Privacy in Settings. Then over here, we're gonna go to the device finders over here, and then you want to go to the Find Hub. Of course, we need to make sure that it is enabled in here, and then you can use the Find Hub app or website in order to find your phone. So then it looks like this. So you should be able to go to google.com/android/find, and of course, make sure that the correct Google account is selected in the upper right corner. Now over here, you should be able to choose your Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. It can also be named just Android, like in my case over here. And then once you select it, then here we should be able to find Factory Reset the Device option, which we can of course use. And last but not least, we can also use the recovery mode. In order to use the recovery mode, first we need to restart our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. And then we want to tap on the restart option. Now once this restarting text disappears, press and hold the volume down button and keep holding it until you open the bootloader. So it shouldn't take too long, and we should be able to see it soon. There we go. Now once you have this menu opened, you should be able to use the volume buttons in order to navigate here, and you are looking for the recovery mode. Once you have it, press power button. Now let's wait for the phone to reboot again. This time we will see the no command text with an Android logo on the screen. There we go. So once you see that, you want to press and hold power button, and then once you hold power button, you want to press volume up. So I'm gonna press and hold power and then press volume up, and there we go. Now we are in the recovery mode. In here we navigate once again with volume buttons, and we want to choose wipe data/factory reset. Once you have it selected, press power button to confirm, and then over here we have the factory data reset option. So here we need to choose it again to perform the factory reset. And if you come back to this main menu of the Android recovery mode, then in here you want to make sure that reboot system now is selected and just press power button to confirm. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.